Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will be showing you another decorative technique using modeling paste this time. I will be showing you Skinner blend technique. It's a blend where the color shifts from one color to the next one in a nice smooth gradation. I will mix colors to create that lovely rainbow blend, but if you want to use different colors for your design, of course you can do that. I am using modeling paste here as it is easiest to handle with that technique, and I'm just going to roll each color in a ball and then turn it into a teardrop shape, making sure I have a nice sharp point on it, and then lay them opposite each other. Once they are in place, I want to squeeze them a bit so they are well connected, and I want to push them down to create sort of triangles stuck in a rectangle shape, if that makes sense. For my work today, I will be using pasta machine. I will be rolling down my sugar paste through it, but you can also use rolling pin and roll it down on the worktop. It will take much more time to achieve the same effect, but it will work. I'm going to run those colors for quite many times through my pasta machine on the lowest possible level. And first run will bring a plonk piece with not much effect, as you see. Now the important thing is to fold this stripe and keep the colors in line. I'm going to make sure to put a little fold at the bottom, and always put the fold into the machine first, so you are not trapping a lot of air in. However, if you see any bubbles, poke them with a needle and run again through the machine without folding. You can start noticing shades appearing between the lines. And keep running your stripe through the machine, keeping colors in line over and over until you achieve nice and soft color blend. I look at both sides from time to time, and I hide uneven lines in. Once you feel the stripe is getting too wide and difficult to control, you can fold the edges, which will reduce its width. The sugar paste texture is a key here. For this technique, I like to use a pre-colored paste from freshly opened bags. This way I am sure all pieces will blend evenly and there is no difference in the consistency. So I am happy enough with that blend, and there is no streaky lines and gradient is even. There is many cool and unique ideas where you can use gradient blend like this. And one more thing I wanted to show you today is how to achieve a long rainbow colored ribbon by using this kind of technique. And I will cut out the stripe from my blended piece and I will run it through the machine again, from starting with level 2 this time and finishing at level 7 of my thickness. And you can see how this stripe will transform. And this is the piece I will be using in my next tutorial. You will see how we can create beautiful decorative piece out of this beautiful colorful ribbon. Using this blending technique is limitless. It's really worth trying and you will have so much fun with it. And now I will be posting few more videos with this technique, so if you are excited about that and you liked what you saw today, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to click that bell button to get alert each time new video is released. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.